Alright, so another day, another pair of headphones. Today we've got the Arbily? I don't know. What do you think? This is how you say it? I'm not sure. True wireless earbuds. These were sent to me. I get sent quite a lot of headphones now because I did a popular video on the Sonys, so companies are sending me out their headphones now. These were sent out to me, so I'll link to them in the description if you want to check them out. I just actually did a video on these. This is the Soundcore Anchor Liberty 2 Pros. Different class of headphone just due to the price, so if you want to check out that video, commentation. But these are a little bit cheaper, but let's hopefully they sound just as good. We'll check it out. Alright, so let's do the lovely unboxing. Here we go. So pretty nice. Okay, like I said, I'll link to them down in the description if you want to see how much they are. Why do the earbuds come in a bag? I'm gonna be honest, that's not a nice unboxing experience, but like I said, price difference. Okay, so here's the case. That's quite chunky. Okay, wow. Alright, let's check these out. Ooh, so a nice glossy black plastic there. We've got the logo. And oh wow, okay. So that is literally the headphones right there. Nice. Yeah, I gotta say, coming from the Soundcore Anchor, the unboxing experience is a little bit different, but like I said, sometimes you just need to accept the price difference, you know? It's a different market, it's not the same. Okay, so you get nice LEDs. It's like a clear plastic. Can you guys, you can see it on that way around, but when you flip it that way, it's not as obvious. But they're charging right now. All right, let's plug them in. So you have this kind of like over ear sort of style. This is fiddly. I mean, it doesn't help I'm wearing a hat, but still. Alright, okay. I should probably read the manual. So these are the True Wireless Earbuds G5 edition. Alright, I think I've hooked them up. I'll be honest, that was a little bit strenuous. I don't like this little thing is so floppy. I don't. It's too floppy, man. It needs some rigidity. Jeez. All right. They're quite bulky, actually. All right. Okay. Let's listen to some tunes. So, all right. Here's the verdict. These are not brilliant headphones. You know, I've listened to some top-end, high-end wireless earbuds. These are not it, Chief. These are not it. But what I will say is they surprised me. They didn't sound as bad as I honestly thought they were going to. They sound pretty good. They don't sound exquisite. That's the only thing I will say. There's a couple of things I don't like about this. The first of which is the fact that this is actually quite a bulky charge case. It's quite big. If you compare it to, it's bigger than the already considered large Sony wireless earbuds. It's much bigger than the Soundcore Anchor we did a review on, and it is just, you know, next level compared to the AirPods. So in terms of storage, like not even just width, like depth as well. So that's not great. The other thing as well, it's micro USB. Like, can you really be sending people stuff in 2020 with freaking micro USB charging? I know it costs more money to put in, but it would really go a long way on making the product stand out. So that for me is a disappointment. And also, this might just be my personal preference, but this thing here, this floppy guy, it don't work for me. It's too loose, doesn't really grab, and it doesn't help. It doesn't feel necessary. It just feels like a hindrance to put on. Like this, like my hat's not really in the way, but yeah, they don't fit my ears very well, and I've tried the different ear tips, so I appreciate them sending them out. I really do. I hope that my feedback's useful to them. If you guys are considering them, again, I'll link them in the description. You won't be disappointed for the price. I think that's important. These are okay, but yeah, if you're into sound, this sounds harsh. If you're into your audio and you care enough to pay a little bit more, I think there's some better options out there. So, sorry, Arbily. I actually don't know how to pronounce the name. They're just not the best, but they're okay. They're fine, I guess.